everyone, welcome to Teacher's Magic Touch. So today we are going to prepare pistachio milk cake. First of all, we have to pour half cup of curd into a bowl. And also pour 1/4 cup of refined oil. Next we will be taking 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix all the wet ingredients till it gets creamy or no lump stage. Here we have to be very accurate about the measurements of the ingredients while preparing the cake. This is 1/4 cup of pistachio powder we have to add in. Now mix well. This is 3 drops of pistachio essence. Using the essence is totally optional. You can skip it if it's not available. You can still bake a very nice cake since we have added pistachio powder. A few drops of food color. Now with the same cup of measurement, we are adding 1 cup of refined flour. One teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix well using a spatula. Now we are adding milk to this. It took 5 tablespoons of milk to adjust the consistency. Now apply the butter or ghee to the mold and pour the prepared batter and level it. Now my mom will do the job of baking this cake for me. Here we have preheated the kadai on the flame for 5 minutes. And here we are not using water, salt or sand. Just place a wire rack inside the kadai. And keep the cake mold on the top of it. And close the lid. Wait for 30 minutes on low flame and after that we will check it. Now it's been 35 minutes since my cake is baking and it seems it's baked well. It's spongy and moist too. Let's test the cake. Okay, it's coming out clean and it's done. Now we will allow it to cool for some time. This is 150 ml of milk, to which we will add 1/4 cup of condensed milk and a few drops of color and mix well. Now keep it aside. Here our cake is cooled down and we have removed the extra part and leveled it. Now prick the cake using fork and pour the pista milk on the cake. After a few minutes, we will start icing the cake and level it. Now garnish it with some chopped pistachio and rose petals, and then keep the cake inside the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Now let's cut the cake and plate. It's ready.